Hi everybody, I'm Jennifer Boulos, BPS Digital Learning Coach, and I am here to show you exactly what's available in Seesaw, in the library and the supplemental curriculum. And this tutorial is highlighting specifically the character building collection. So if we go into the Seesaw library and we click on character building, you will see what's available to you. It starts out with creating classroom culture. So if we click on view all lessons, these are lessons that are going to foster teamwork, and your students are also going to understand various strategies that you might be using in the classroom, such as turn and talk or think, pair, share. You might have first graders and they've never done this before, so this is an excellent way to have them learn what does it mean when you say, okay, we're going to do a think, pair, share. You might have older students that need instructions on this as well. So you can see here we have the grades. This is recommended 3rd through 6th. We have standards and a lesson plan here with an objective statement, an I will statement, resources, the type of instructional format that's suggested, teacher tips, and then how to teach this lesson. So if we come up to the top, we can present this to the class. And this is a video featuring students that are going to explain what think, pair, share is all about. On the next slide, you have discussion questions. And on the last slide, you have the opportunity for your students to practice that strategy. So very well designed. Directions are built right in, both in English and in Spanish. But again, this is something that you could lead as a teacher rather than have the students do it independently. We can go back to the lesson and go back into character building. The next series of lessons are daily feelings check-in. There are 10. So when we open this up, these lessons are designed to allow students to practice mindfulness and really reflect on their emotions. They're very well designed. How full is your bucket, for example? If we open this one, we will see same format as far as an instructional format is suggested, the objective and the I will statement, and then you can see how nicely designed this is. Now, what I love about this is that if a student says, my bucket is full, now they need to explain what it is that is making them feel that way. And it's differentiated by design, because when they click on that square or that frame, they have either photo, video, voice, or a text label. So again, giving students choice in terms of how to express their thoughts. So this again is the daily feelings check-in. Really loved all of those. And feelings every day is the next one. So again, this is helping our kindergarten, 1st and 2nd graders really understand when they feel frustrated or worried, excited, sad or happy. So students are learning when and how happy feelings may arise, and then reflect on different ways to be a bucket filler. So if you haven't tried any of these, I really hope that you will take a peek and see. These get a little bit more in depth. So you can see each slide is extremely well designed and walks the students through. You can assign all these activities, or you can pick and choose which ones to do. You can lead your students through these as a whole class or individually or in small groups. We go back into character building. We also have caring community songs. So if we open up view all lessons, there are 10. So get the wiggles out. We have making friends, many ways to say thank you. That's a good one. Let's look at this. These are catchy tunes that students can, you and your students can listen to and sing along with. And I think you're going to love these, and I hope you'll give them a try. After the community caring songs, we have I Am a Learner. These are allowing our students to challenge themselves by practicing character building skills to be the best learners they can be. These are for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. So I'm empathetic, I'm accountable, I'm a problem solver, I'm a dreamer, persistent, grateful, connector, ready, courageous, I am more than what you see. Now, these can all be differentiated. You can assign different ones to different students. So again, if you haven't seen these, I hope you're super excited to dig deeper and explore what's available in I Am a Learner. And after I Am a Learner, we have Friends Making Friends. These are also designated for grades 3, 4, and 5. I'm a confident friend. Why does friendship matter? Showing empathy for friends, so on and so forth. Resolving conflict in friendships, that is probably a great one to consider. Technology in friendships. Students are learning how to use technology actively to strengthen their friendships. They'll learn how using technology passively can actually make lonely feelings stronger. So super relevant for probably, again, our older students at the elementary level, upper elementary. And then we go back into character building. And we also have mindfulness lessons, these are lessons that are going to emphasize creating a calm, focused, and kind classroom through mindfulness. We click on all lessons. There's 27. They feature the Yeti, Mindfulness Yeti. And I think a lot of us are familiar with that character. And we have SEL stories. If we click on view all lessons, we're going to see, again, these are for K1 and 2. Are you happy or sad? I can be kind by helping. My body knows my feelings when I'm frustrated. So again, I really hope that you are excited about giving these a try. Again, they're in the character building section of the Seesaw library. If you like what you see and you've never used Seesaw before because you're brand new, please send me an email. I'd be more than happy to come in and model teaching one of these lessons for you, or co-teach with you, or just be there to support you while you're teaching. I hope this was helpful and that you will take a deeper look at character building in the Seesaw collection. And again, this is Jennifer Boulos, BPS Digital Learning Coach, and thank you so much for watching.